Hello everyone! Hi guys! Welcome back! Guys, I just finished the first box that I started earlier. Yeah, I just finished wrapping them up, guys. So now I'm just gonna finish it up. Last touch. Yeah, I started doing this earlier, guys, this morning. And I took a break because I was kind of tired. So now this is done. One box finished, ready to ship to the Philippines. And then I have another one that I have to finish it up too. If I don't get tired, I will finish it up today. Because I started another box, guys. So I can send 2 boxes home. So this is done, ready to be shipped. And I have another one in here, guys. I have another